So today I'm going to show you how you can access our library catalog, how to get there, and then what you can do from that page in terms of making a reservation to come to the library, the computer lab, or to use the Chromebooks. So the first thing you need to do is bookmark this link. It's going to be bit.ly/Burbank LIB for Burbank Library, and that will always take you to our home page. This home page may change in the future once we get access to our district sites, but for now this will be our landing spot. And what this is right now, it's within our Destiny catalog. So if you come up here, you would have the choice to go to catalog or click on it here. We also have the links to our online resources here on the left and some other helpful resources on the right, and then our overall calendar of what's going on is listed in the middle. So depending on what you're wanting to reserve, you might want to specifically look at only that calendar. So you could click on library to see what's going on in the library, what's being booked, the lab, and this is just the library computer lab, and then the Chromebooks. So say you're wanting to check out Chromebooks. Keep in mind we only have 3 carts, and right now those 3 are booked the rest of the week starting Wednesday through Friday, so they wouldn't be available. But say you're wanting to book them the following week and you have done your training, then you might want to make a reservation. So we'll try that out. You'll click on reservation, and that will take you to this form. Go ahead and type your last name and then click the type of reservation. Depending on what you click will take you to a different part of the form. So we're going to assume you want Chromebooks, and it's going to ask you if you've attended the training. If you have not and click no, it's not going to let you submit a form. So make sure that you come to one of our scheduled trainings as soon as you can so that you will be able to book the Chromebooks. So I'm going to say yes. And it's going to ask me how you're going to use that. So I'm bringing my class in and I want them to do some collaborating and maybe a little bit of research. And it also asks you your largest class size, so that especially if Chromebooks, if you tend to have smaller classes, I might be able to get away with giving you the third cart, which only has 24 compared to the others that have 30. So keep that in mind. And I'm going to click next. Okay, so you'll put your start date. So let's say next week I want it on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, remember it's no more than 3 consecutive days unless you get permission beforehand. And I'm using them every period except say my conference is 5th, and go from there. And then if there's anything else I can help you, put together links on my topic or whatever. You could, type in anything else that I could do to help you or give you some extra training. You'll click submit, and I will get that response in an email, and then I will let you know that I have booked it and will include it on our calendar. So I'm going to go back to our library page just so you can look at that one more time. Okay, so you get to the calendar links from here. And then also here's a link to our library newsletter. So there's always good information in there. This is the current newsletter. It's not completely updated because I'm adding this video. But at the end of this, there is also a survey that you might want to complete so that you'll be entered in a drawing for an iTunes or Starbucks gift card. So that's the basics on how to access the library website and our resources. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or just catch me in the library.